They trying to guilt trip me into getting out of bed?
Yeah. Lazy.
Well, it's working. What do you think he's thinking about right now?
He's probably like, here we are still in bed. Charlie's in the wood line getting stronger by the minute.
Oh, the tail got him.
Oh.
Must attack the tail. Not looking forward to making the bed. Worst part of van life. I think we say that every video. There's a new worst part of van life. Today it's making the bed. You guys want to go outside?
Oh. Well, let's go to town.
We're off to town. What are you gonna order?
Might get some cock for it. They got it.
What's cock for? You guys are probably the most precious angels I've ever seen. It's a nice 68 in the van right now, but these guys love to cuddle with each other. And it's funny because Romo didn't used to hang out on the couch. We actually asked for a couch, but this is what we got. We had to add the cushions. Anyways, Romo used to hang out on the bed mostly with Harry, and Dre has always been a couch dweller. But lately, Romo has started chilling on the couch with her, and then the cat just likes to be wherever the warmth is, so he'll cuddle on whoever. We're currently headed over to our friend Corey's to check on his dog. He's out of town, so we said we would stop by and check on her.
My wife has extra chromosomes, so she needs extra time to think about things.
I said I've had concussions.
So you need extra chromosome time.
That's not what I said.
Oh, you gotta stay here, bud.
That didn't work very well.
You might have to use the bathroom.
I think he just wants to go see Harley. Usually Romo and Dre will come in and play with Harley, but she just had a surgery, so.
You hopping?
Come on, Romo. You gotta stay in here, buddy. Got Justin's daddy's girl key. Here you go, sweetie.
Latchkey kid. Right here.
We'll be right back.
I'm about to blow the toilet.
I'm sure he'll love to hear that. Corey's one of our watchers. He actually does subscribe. He actually watches. Shout out to Corey.
Known him and Pat since I was a wee teenager.
Corey and Pat. Look at this. We're even going to take your packet inside, not even open it.
No, I'm going to open it.
What do you think it is?
Something from me, or else it wouldn't have been sent here.
That's true. This is Harley. I think she's happy to see us. Thank you to Corey for letting us borrow your tools. He won't even know we did this until he sees the video. But what we're doing is taking an over-the-door hanging mirror that we got, and we're going to fashion it into some sort of van hanging mirror.
Is this gap right here allows the mirror to like fall and slide and bang. So I'm going to hug the hook up to where it's got less slide and playroom.
So now the new hanger is a lot shorter. Beautiful job, Justin.
Thank you.
Love it.
Yay!
Now we've got a full-length mirror here, and we can easily lift curtain rod.
Now you got a full-length mirror, and then let's say you want a different angle. Check this out. Armrest controls it.
Love it.
It's pretty good.
So yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today's Black Friday. Number one rule today: avoid all stores.
So, Jessi thought we'd go eat at the only place you gotta go into.
I ordered ahead. And I'm not going in, Justin is. Today, Justin's going in to pick up our food. You have to, I filmed it that way. So we're gonna pick up some lunch and then head back to the farm. We've got some editing to do today, and we're gonna meet up with some of our YouTube friends.
And real life friends, wow.
They were real life friends before they were YouTube friends.
And she's like mega YouTube famous right now.
We're gonna go hang out with Amanda and Mike from Amanda's Mercantile, and I will link her page below in the description. God, everything in the van just rocking and rolling. Thanks for going in to get the sub, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Remember when I said he was going in, but he said he wasn't? I win. He won't even know about this until I upload it. But I'm gonna call this a win. You got the goods?
Yeah. Jared gave them to me.
Jared?
Yeah.
That's not good at all. Throw these out.
He keistered them.
Throw them out.
The damn EGR valve's acting up again, so now we get to clean that this evening.
This is something that they would do at the Mercedes dealership. They would fix it under warranty, but you know, driving it all the way there kind of sucks.
Yeah, and it's a really easy task. We'll film it and show y'all how to do it for anyone else that might have the problem.
He's watching them outside. It's like torture to them to make them go outside. They just want to be up our butts in this van all the time. Best part about Moochdocking off your family is using their shower and not having to go to Planet Fitness. So that's what's on the agenda next.
You sure? Yeah. And I go, thank you, man. Yeah, I appreciate it. You go like, what's your issue? And then
Moochdocking when you're staying at someone else's house using all of their amenities, but still sleeping in your rig. So we sleep in our van here on the farm and then use my dad's amenities, shower. Sometimes if we need an oven to cook something, just got a shower. Justin got to shave his head, and the pets were happy because they were in a nice warm house. Harry's around here somewhere. I'm not quite sure where. So I've lost the cat. I can't find him. Cannot find this kitty cat. He likes to play this game. Hide from Mom, hide from Dad. Harold! I looked behind these!
Oh, you found him?
Harry, I was trying to find you. Yeah, we got you. Think you're funny, but you're not. And now for a little grocery run. Gotta go in here and get the essentials. And now we're back in another park for a little bit of fetch. Next on the agenda, we're going to head back to the farm and work on that EGR valve, and then we're going to link up with Mike and Amanda later tonight. We're just hanging out, waiting for the engine to cool down so Justin can clean the EGR valve.
Yep.
While we're waiting here, if you haven't subscribed, just going to remind you, you should probably do that. That'd be really nice if you did. That's like our main goal in life now, is to get more subscribers on YouTube. So I think we're going to take the laptop in at Christmas, just pass it around the room, let everybody sign into their YouTube and show them how to subscribe.
I'm going to the old folks' home. Gonna help create accounts for everybody.
Subscribe to Floyd's damn van, you old bitch.
Today, we're gonna be doing a little shade tree mechanics. Gonna leave jewelry on, safety hazard, and then we're just gonna go in, turn the electric off. Got a 1/4-inch ratchet here, 1/4-inch drive with a 5/16 socket on the end here. There's one here, one here behind this cable. I'm gonna remove that in a second. One here and one here. You could probably even take these hoses off, but I've gotten too lazy to do that. So there's a little tab right here for this electrical connector. Pops it, and then there's the whole connector. And then there's normally this little plastic, like, safety retaining pin, but the damn thing broke the last time I did this, because that's how good I am. So now we got that cable out of the way. I take the oil cap here off just to get it out of my way. Now I'm gonna take these 4 bolts off. And then, so you don't lose them, just put these in your oil. Just kidding. I meant to tell you, this is a, I'd say that's like a 12-inch extension, easily.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I got all 4 of those out. I take this hose right here, both of them, and pull up. Now that breaks it loose, but you gotta be careful because there's a little metal gasket under here. So, work this up. But then you want to watch out, like I said, for this metal gasket. Keep that, set it to the side, use it again, and then you're good to go. Now, this is why I said I take the oil cap off. This is the solenoid, and that's your EGR valve. And then here, there's all kinds of soot. So that stuff right there, you take, you mix with some Visine and a little bit of conditioner or like shower gel, and that's prison ink. Anyhow, never been. See the bottom of it as well?
Ew.
Yeah, pay attention when we get back how fucking different that is. I'm gonna put the lid back on the oil now though, just so I don't get a ton of carb cleaner in it. A little warm, so I like to wait until it's cooled down a lot before I do it normally, but so I'm setting this up to catch all my overspray here, but I'm gonna blast the inside now. And then I'm gonna hit up this bottom here. This is where, so basically you're trying to get in here, get as much soot out as you can, And this is where the toothbrush and shit normally comes in hand, but like I said, work with what you got. Also, make sure you're not breaking your hoses and shit, but look, you spin these blades right here, you can do it manually. See that? And now that's access to your solenoid and your valve. But come in here, touch that shit up. You might even be asking yourself, how do I know and why did I know I needed to do this? And that's because it'll almost feel like you're going down the road and like your transmission's slipping. And you just feel this jerk.
We were driving down the road and we really thought we were having a problem with like second and third gear. We would go up a hill or a mountain and it would just lag so bad.
The only reason this exists is for good, clean emissions. That's all. You see this difference? It was black before, now it's silver.
Wow.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Alright, now we're going to put her back together. First, you want to check here where your gasket's going to sit. Make sure you don't have any debris there. Then inspect your gasket. Make sure you don't have any debris on it. You know what? Fuck it, I'll do it tomorrow.
One hour later.
Whatever you need. When you're planning YouTubes and Vlogmas, must have beer. Cheers. One problem, my beer's all gone.
Oh, I'll get you another.
12 o'clock midnight.
Oh, okay, you want to go up. Okay, of course. So, it's really late, but we just got back from hanging out with Mike and Amanda. We got some really, really good YouTube planning going on, and to let you guys know kind of what we're planning, Vlogmas is coming up. What is Vlogmas? It's something where you vlog every day of December up until Christmas. It's just something to see if you can do it. Can you vlog every day for those 24 days? I think this is a great way to share what we're doing and share our story with more people. So we will be committing to this Vlogmas starting on the 1st of December. You'll see an upload from us every day, hopefully, if we can stick to it. So that's what's in the works. That's what's coming up next. We're also planning to get out of town soon. I know we said we were going to hang out here for the holidays, but in between those, we can go do some fun stuff. So, we'll be addressing all of that coming up in Vlogmas. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do. That way you'll be notified about when we upload, because it's not just going to be on Sundays for December. It's going to be every day up until Christmas. Oh, hi, Dre. So, we'll see you guys soon. December 1st. Look for that first upload.